guys, welcome to another wonderful session of learning with PrepClass. I am Bisi. I am a PrepClass tutor. In this video, we are going to be solving Akwa Pre-vocational Studies, Agricultural Science for the year 2019 from question 16 to question 20. Subscribe to our channel, like and comment on our videos as well. Also, make sure that you share with your friends. Question 16. Pasture legumes fed to ruminant animals are rich in dash. A. Crude fiber. B. Fat and oil. C. Carbohydrate. D. Protein. So, the pasture legumes fed to ruminant animals are rich in crude fiber. So, crude fiber is a type of dietary fiber found in plants. Alright, so these are the pasture legumes that are fed to ruminant animals. So which of the following is correct? Crude fiber, fat and oil, C. Carbohydrate, D. Protein. So the correct option is crude fiber. Pasture legumes fed to ruminant animals are rich in crude fiber. So question 17. Method of weed control that may lead to erosion are A. Mechanical and cultural, B. Chemical and biological, C. Cultural and chemical, D. Biological and chemical. So which of this is correct? But for us to be able to choose the correct option, we need to know what mechanical, cultural, chemical, and biological weed control mean. Okay, so we have it here. The first one here is mechanical weed control. So mechanical weed control refers to any technique that involves the use of farm equipment to control weeds. Remember, weeds are unwanted plants. So how do we get rid of them? We can use the mechanical weed control. So this technique involves the use of farm equipment to control weeds. The most often used mechanical control techniques are tillage and mowing. Then another weed control method is the cultural weed control method. This refers to any technique that involves maintaining field conditions such that weeds are less likely to become established and or increase in number. Okay, an example of this is crop rotation, in which you plant a crop and then the next year you plant another kind of crop. So this is an example of cultural weed control, crop rotation. So another one is chemical weed control. From the name chemical weed control, you know it involves the use of chemicals, right? So chemical weed control refers to any technique that involves the application of chemicals. These chemicals are called herbicides to weeds or soil to control the growth of the weeds. So we apply herbicides to weeds or soil to control the growth of the weeds. Now, what about biological weed control? This refers to any technique that involves the use of natural enemies of weed plants to control the growth of weeds. Examples of biological weed control include the use of biological control agents. The use of biological control agents means using of other organisms to control weeds. Bioherbicides are the microorganisms that are used to control weeds. And then the use of grazing animals. So this is when you bring grazing animals that feed on this weeds. So you can control weeds by bringing the grazing animals to the field, and then they will eat up all the weeds. So we have learned about all the weed control techniques: mechanical, cultural, chemical, and biological weed control. So the question says method of weed control that may lead to erosion. So biological weed control would not lead to soil erosion. Chemical weed control would not lead to soil erosion, but the mechanical and cultural weed control methods could lead to erosion, because the mechanical method requires the use of farm equipment to remove weeds. So you could be uprooting weeds, and this could expose the soil surface to erosion. Cultural method could also lead to erosion. Alright, so the correct option is A, mechanical and cultural. So the method of weed control that may lead to soil erosion are mechanical and cultural weed control methods. Number 18. Challenges in agricultural marketing are all these except A, storage facilities, B, soil facility, C, middlemen, D, transportation. Okay, so first of all, what is agricultural marketing? Agricultural marketing are the services involved in moving an agricultural product from the farm to the consumer. So these are all the services involved in moving an agricultural product from the farm to the consumer. So challenges of agricultural marketing include storage facilities. So you need the best storage system to store these agricultural products so that they don't get spoiled. So it's a challenge of agricultural marketing. Middlemen is another challenge of agricultural marketing. Transportation is also another challenge of agricultural marketing, but soil facility is not a challenge of agricultural marketing. So it's not a challenge of agricultural marketing. So the correct option is B, soil facility. Challenges in agricultural marketing are all this except soil facility. So the correct option is B, check. Number 19. Some of Nigerian export produce are these except A, leather, B, groundnut, C, cocoyam, D, cocoa. Okay, so which of these is not a Nigeria export produce? So what does export means? This means taking our product to other countries for sale, right? Alright, so we transport leather, groundnut, and cocoa. So these are all Nigeria export produce. But cocoyam is not a Nigerian export produce. We don't export cocoyam. So the correct option is cocoyam. So some of Nigerian export produce are all this, that is leather, groundnut, and cocoa, except C, cocoyam. So the correct option is C, cocoyam. Check. Question 20. NEPC means A, Nigeria Export Producers Council, B, Nigeria Export Protection Council, C, Nigeria Export Exploration Council, D, Nigeria Export Promotion Council. So NEPC means Nigeria Export Promotion Council. That's the meaning of NEPC, Nigeria Export Promotion Council. So the function of NEPC is to promote Nigeria's export trade, most especially the non-oil products of Nigeria. So this is what they promote. They promote and develop the Nigeria export trade. So the correct option is D. NEPC means Nigeria Export Promotion Council. D is the correct option. Check. Do you like this video? If yes, please don't forget to like and comment on this video. This will encourage us to do more videos like this. Also, subscribe to our channel. This is where you can get more videos like this that would help you in preparation for your examinations. Till I come your way next time. Bye.